Carp is a freshwater fish that belongs to the family Cyprinidae. There are several species of carp, but the most common ones are the common carp, Cyprinus carpio, the mirror carp, and the leather carp. Carp are native to Asia and Europe but have been introduced to many parts of the world for aquaculture and sport fishing. Here are some details about carp. Appearance: carp have a distinctive appearance with a flattened head and a body that is cylindrical in shape. They are typically olive green or brown in color, although some varieties may be lighter or darker. They have large scales and a set of barbels near their mouth that help them sense their environment and locate food. Habitat: carp can be found in a wide range of freshwater habitats, including rivers, lakes, and ponds. They prefer still or slow-moving water with plenty of vegetation and a muddy bottom. Reproduction: carp typically spawn in the spring when water temperatures reach around 20 degrees Celsius. During spawning, females release thousands of eggs into the water, which are fertilized by males. Carp can spawn multiple times throughout the year, with some individuals spawning up to 5 times. Aquaculture: carp are one of the most important fish species for aquaculture, particularly in Asia and Europe. They are valued for their fast growth rate, hardiness, and ability to adapt to a wide range of environments. Carp are also popular for sport fishing in many parts of the world. Invasive species: carp can become invasive in some areas and have negative impacts on native ecosystems. For example, in North America, the invasive Asian carp species has caused significant ecological damage by outcompeting native fish for food and space. Overall, carp are an important fish species with a wide range of ecological, economic, and cultural significance. Feeding patterns. Diet: carp feed on a variety of food sources, including insects, crustaceans, worms, snails, and small fish. They also consume algae, aquatic plants, and other plant matter. Carp have a unique ability to digest and extract nutrients from plant material, which is an important part of their diet. Feeding behavior: carp are bottom feeders, and they typically search for food in the mud or gravel at the bottom of a body of water. They use their barbels, which are sensory organs located near their mouth, to help locate food. Carp may also feed at the surface of the water, particularly when feeding on insects or other small prey. Feeding patterns: carp are known to feed at all times of the day and night, but their feeding activity is influenced by a variety of factors, including water temperature, weather conditions, and the availability of food. In warmer water temperatures, carp tend to be more active and feed more frequently. Feeding preferences: carp can have specific feeding preferences, and different individuals may prefer different types of food. For example, some carp may prefer to feed on insects, while others may prefer to feed on plant matter. Carp may also change their feeding preferences over time based on the availability of food. Feeding strategies: carp have a unique feeding strategy known as mouthing, where they will pick up and move small items of food around in their mouths to identify and reject any non-food items. This allows them to more efficiently consume their preferred food sources. Overall, the feeding habits of carp are diverse and adaptable, which is one of the reasons they are such successful and widespread fish species. Hope you enjoyed this video.